Here are 3 golden rules for giving feedback to students without lowering their confidence. Number 1, be selective with your feedback. Focus on one area. Don't try to fix everything at once. It's easy to improve in one area, and when a student sees that they have improved, they feel more successful. Number 2, focus on where next. Your student probably feels stuck. Focusing on what's wrong will only make them feel worse. Instead, help the student to figure out ways to make their work better. When students can look ahead rather than back, they feel more confident. And finally, use questions. Teachers like to explain things, right? But a student with low confidence needs more than explanations. Instead of telling them what they should have done, use questions to help them figure out their best next steps. The key to effective feedback is getting students to think. And if you'd like more ways to correct students without affecting their motivation, check out our blog for 6 simple steps. The link is in the description.